Hello, William. How are you?
Good. How you
Good.
doing?
Hello, Uncle Ambril.
Yeah.
How are you? Good.
Good.
Welcome
Talk
to
him.
Los Angeles.
Yeah.
Ya,
Oh, really?
eh, kami lagi berada di Los Angeles di Amerika Serikat. Ya, ini Bapak Ambril Ilyas nih,
Bukan saya.
asli Salido. Ini anaknya William,
Yang bikin bisnis ya.
who has a business, punya bisnis di Los Angeles. Ayam
bakar.
barbecue ya, chicken barbecue, beef barbecue. So for orang-orang Indonesia yang lagi ke Los Angeles nanti mungkin bisa mencicipi ya, mencoba ayam barbecue ya, beef barbecue yang. So this chicken barbecue, beef barbecue, you sell at where? With the truck, right? Anywhere in the truck. Yeah.
Yeah. Did you take a picture of this, your unit,
Yeah.
and how you set it up?
Yeah. We just need it. I need to go buy an easier. Just a white one because the farmers markets they want white easy ups.
Okay, so go online and look for one.
Yeah, I'm gonna look for one.
Chicken
I
barbecue,
think they're like,
beef
you can get
barbecue.
them for like $100.
Ya, ini Om Ambril Ilyas nih dengan putra-putrinya di Los Angeles. Ya, Om ya?
Yeah.
Anak Salido. Wah, mantap anak Salido. Semoga semakin sukses. Kami lagi di Los Angeles. Nanti Om jual rendang, Om ya?
Ya, jualan.
Rendang nanti kita ya.
Ya.
Rendang Padang ya.
Ya.
Insyaallah. Kita mulai dari
Ya, mulai dari
yang ini ya, jual by truck ini apa namanya ya. Pelan-pelan mudah-mudahan bisa buka restoran suatu saat.
Oh, right over there.
Semoga semakin sukses. Ya. Oke Om, mantap Om ya.
Ya.
Alhamdulillah, Om ya.
Ya.
Udah matang. Ayamnya udah matang.
No, I'm gonna do it on here.
Wah, ini proses apa nih?
What is it? What is it? What kind of process is that?
It's called Santa Maria Grill.
Santa Maria Grill.
My grill.
Called Santa Maria Grill.
So,
Santa Maria.
so how did you learn how to make the barbecue and everything?
Oh, just learn.
You went to school?
No,
Oh.
I don't believe in school.
You don't live in school?
No.
Like course or something? No? Oh, you just do it by yourself, yeah?
Learn by
Oh,
yourself.
you learn by yourself.
Awesome.
I don't believe in school.
You don't believe in school.
Learn by doing.
Learn by yourself and go make some money.
Go make some money, yeah.
Learn by doing.
I love that quote.